Ready ka na? No. You know the hotel behind. I can't even explain it. Maybe. I can't even explain it. Maybe it's the way you look in my eyes. How I feel is. Hi guys, so I don't know if I vlogged enough or if I have enough video clips to show you kung ano yung nangyari today. So anyways, we just settled and kakarating na namin sa Quebec City. Late na kami, Old Quebec pala. So yeah, late na kasi grabe yung traffic. Usually mga 2 hours lang to go sa Old Quebec from Montreal, right? But it took us like 4 hours. So we have a dinner reservation around 8:45 and it's currently 8:30 na. We were just rushing kanina na mag-freshen up and do all that stuff. So yeah, pupunta kami ngayon sa dinner. And bukas ko na i-show kung ano yung nasa hotel or sa bed and breakfast na kung saan na kami nagsistay. And yeah, maybe sa next clip nasa restaurant na kami. So I'll see you there. Bye! Ready ka na? No. Pakita dali mo fit. Pakita mo fit. Hi everyone, so we finally arrived here. Got me hot like the summer. Really no one even knows me like you do. There's not many in my circle. Few love how you're my friend and I'm just a fool. He's having octopus. The most popular. Yup. And then I'm having blood pudding scallops. So it's officially day 3 of our Quebec trip. So yeah, right now dito kami sa bed and breakfast namin. Guys, it reminds me of Bridgerton. I don't know if you've seen that series. So may balcony dito, guys. I'm not gonna do a room tour because like our room is messy. So yeah, may ano dito, terrace. And then there's my mom. Hi ma. Hi man ma.
Hi mom. Oh, hi there.
And there's Uncle Stuart over there. There's a huge balcony. I kind of want to film here. Yeah, anyways. See you later. Hi guys. So, I changed because yung denim pants ko, parang tight siya, so I need space sa tummy ko because I want to feel comfortable. And it's currently around like 10:40. It's like a minute before 10:40. I think we're just gonna like explore or like mag-walk around na kami sa old, like, I don't know, parang mga streets ng Quebec City. I'll show you guys around later. Breakfast was really good. I only had like a few little bits of kung ano man yung available kanina sa ilalim. Yeah, yung coffee nila very strong. I love it. And I'm feeling better, way better compared to like yesterday because like, alam mo yun, yung kapag like, parang you guys really like, parang nasa, ano kayo, like nasa schedule. Like, I feel like, I don't like it when parang may hinahabol kang oras. So, ngayon, it's more chill. And yeah, we'll see kung saan makapadpad mamaya because I'm gonna film it. I I hope you guys are doing well and you're staying safe and sane. Yun lang. This is my update. I'm just waiting for them because like I think most word got water. So my god, my brain is still like dead. I can't really like talk. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, so we're about to leave now. I think it's 10 minutes before 11. I just checked. So yeah. Mawawala na naman ako ng wifi, which is okay lang because, you know, vacation time. Ito guys yung hotel.
Can you hold this? The map. Hold this.
So yeah guys, ito yung outside ng room namin. Ito yung outside. Diba pa yung Bridget? Anyways, bye. I'll see you outside. Hi guys. Fit check. Diri ka mo para makita man yung mga fit. Hi guys, so I'm wearing all white as you can see. Sorry, may words. And then my mom, look at her. She's wearing what are you wearing? Turno kami ng bag and sandals lang kami. So yeah, we're ready na guys to explore. See ya! You know, the hotel behind us. My mom, she stayed there, I think like once. Sobrang init, but anyways, di ba, ang grabe no? Diyan nag-film yung Goblin na K-drama. So, apparently right now, we're just gonna go, like, see kung ano yung nandun sa taas. Sila ni mama niya kusword, they've been here, like, twice na ata or more than that. But for me, it's my first time and it's crazy. It's just that it's so hot right now and, like, at least breezy siya. And, yeah, I'm excited to see what's in there, what's up there. And so we have to like walk all the way down there. Grabe na to guys. Papagod na ako guys. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you down there. Kung ano man nandun. So, when they came here last time, you guys, this is where they stayed at. Hi guys, so update. It's lunchtime and we're just looking for a place kung saan lang pwede kami makakain. Is there a place? No? It's hard. Oh, damn. Yeah, so maybe sa next na clip, doon na kami sa restaurant. So, yeah, I'll update you. Ang dilim. So, guys, update. Wala kami nakitang restaurant dito. And hindi pa ako nakapag-picture sa famous na red na door. So, I'm just gonna come back kung may time. Because, like, we have, like, 2 days pa naman. So, right now, we're gonna take the funicular going up because, like, walang chance na makakita kami ng restaurant na makakainan ng lunch dito sa ilalim. And it's so hot. And gutom na kami. So, Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully good lang. And I'll show you guys the view in a bit. Alright? See ya! So, yan yung hotel. So, yung connected siya sa restaurant kung saan man kami kumain ng lunch now lang. The fish and chips was so good. Light lang and tama lang kasi like I was so hungry but I didn't want to be like full. We're just gonna walk around for a bit and may check lang kami ng mga places or stores. And then, saying na mamaya after kami mag-walk, maybe like after 2 hours, we're going back sa bread and breakfast namin and we're gonna freshen up para mag-ready na sa dinner. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Guys, so may nakita kaming cafe and we're craving coffee. So my mom, she's actually getting coffee right now. She's over there. There. I'm getting an iced latte and I think she's getting one too. What did you get on the store? Just regular coffee? Yeah, we'll see kung ano yung kung masarap yung hindi. Hi guys, so Ray is here. So, see. May mga bagong ano. So, ito yun guys, so. Wait lang. Ikaw din. Hi ka, hi. Hi, so how do you feel nasa Quebec ka, love?
I feel like nandyan ako.
So yeah guys, this is the view from our terrace ng bed and breakfast. And I'm just talking to Rai. Diba? And dyan yung Fairmont hotel. Dyan lang. Then yung room namin nandyan lang sa baba nito. So, yeah, chika muna kami ni Ray.
Yes, chika. Chika time.
Chika time before na mag-dinner. Yeah. Hi guys, so kakalating lang namin dito sa Club Bistro. Saan nag-perserve siya ako student. Yeah, we're gonna go.
With garlic flour and lemon, mustard seeds. Just like that. So now ketchup.
Very nice.
So this is too much. And I'm having